How much would you pay to have your Dodge Ram van look like this? Let me know in the comments section. Those Dodges look good. I really want to see them get a lift kit. Shout out to SC Beach Cruiser. You inspired me to make today's video. I am the biggest advocate wanting to see Dodge Ram vans lifted. And here's the videos I've made about it. And I tell you guys all the time when I make these videos, if you want to see a Dodge Ram van lift kit, leave a comment saying, I would like to see a Dodge Ram van lift kit. Maybe there's an aftermarket company that will take notice, but here are some of the views they've gotten. And they've gotten decent views. 2,000 views, 2,000 views. What else? Another 2,000 view video and a 7,000 view video. So there is interest, and here's my collection of wanting to see Dodge Ram vans lifted. Dodge Ram van owners, something has finally been released specifically for you guys. No reviews yet. So this is made by RTZ, and there's one picture so far. That's it. So this is a spacer lift. These are also available for Econolines. So let me go up. There it is right there. Small lift. So what size tires do you guys have? Do you guys have 225s or 245s? So with a 2-inch spacer, you should be able to go up a size. So let me know in the comment section, what do Dodge Ram vans have stock? But there it is. No reviews yet. So let's go ahead and take a look at this product for Ford Econoline vans. This is Wasatch Overland's YouTube channel. I actually saw this van at a Home Depot parking lot without realizing it had been featured on Wasatch Overland's YouTube channel. This van has a RTZ spacer lift, and here it is right here when I spotted it. Lifted van sighting. The owner's gonna come out right now and say, what are you doing to my van? I just like it. If he comes out, I'll say, I like it, man. I know what it is right away. That's a RTZ spacer lift. Nice van. RTZ spacer lift. Spotted it right away. I know my van's too much. It's kind of obsessive, huh? There is zero data on the RTZ lift for Dodge Ram vans because I think it just came out. Because I look up lift kits for Dodge Ram vans a couple times a month in hopes that something will come out for them and something was released for them. So my advice, who wants to be the guinea pig for this RTZ Dodge Ram van lift? So my recommendation, do some studying on the Ford Econoline RTZ lift, see what people are saying about it. So if you have a RTZ lift on your Ford Econoline van or a Ford Parts 1 spacer lift, let us know in the comment section. How has it been? So that's my recommendation to Dodge Ram van fans or owners. Look up the Econoline RTZ reviews and, you know, make your judgment call from that. Journeys Off-Road, they do a spacer lift for Express and Savannahs, the GM vans. I believe this is what Camille had for his van before he got his 5-inch lift kit. He was running a spacer lift. But again, study Econolines, Express, and Savannahs with spacer lifts. See what people say about them. Because, yeah, the Dodge one looks like it just came out, so there's no data on them. So, yeah. Dodge Ram van fans, there is a spacer lift, official spacer lift available to you guys now. We just need to get some data on it.